Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we are diving headfirst into one of the most electric, aggressive, and visually striking Grand Tourers to hit the roads this year. The all-new 2026 Denza Z9 GT. If you have been looking for something that challenges the status quo of luxury performance EVs, this is a car you absolutely cannot miss. Starting with that exterior design, former Audi design head Wolfgang Egger created a total masterpiece based on the elegance in motion philosophy. This is a low-slung, ultra-wide shooting brake with proportions that scream pure speed. Up front, you get sharp 108-zone matrix LED headlights paired with aggressive lower intakes. Along the side, notice the gorgeous wheel-to-body ratios, 21-inch sport wheels clamping down on bright yellow calipers, digital side mirrors, and completely frameless doors with electric suction handles. Around back, the hourglass LED light strip, dual-stage hollow roof spoiler, and active deployable rear wing give it an unmistakable supercar stance on the highway. Step inside, and the interior elevates Grand Touring to a whole new level. The Denza 2.0 cockpit features a futuristic triple-screen layout for the driver, central control, and front passenger, backed up by a massive 50-inch augmented reality head-up display. You are wrapped in buttery Nappa leather with heated, ventilated, and massaging seats for everyone on board. Now let us look under the hood, or more accurately, underneath that cutting-edge E-Cube platform. This beast is powered by an ultra-advanced tri-motor all-wheel drive system, delivering an astronomical 156 horsepower. That translates to a breathtaking 0 to 100 km/h sprint in just 2.7 seconds. Feeding those motors is BYD's second-generation 122.5 kWh blade battery, offering up to 820 kilometers of CLTC range. Thanks to ultra-fast flash charging technology, you can top up from 10 to 97% in roughly 9 minutes. It also features dual-chamber air suspension and independent rear-wheel steering, allowing mind-bending maneuvers like crab walk and 360-degree compass turns in tight spots. When it comes to price, Denza is delivering unbelievable value relative to its performance. In its home market of China, the Z9 GT starts at roughly $39,000 to $55,000 USD, depending on the trim. As it lands in European and global luxury markets, expected pricing hovers around $115,000, placing it right in the crosshairs of established German luxury performance EVs, while undercutting them significantly on raw horsepower. Safety is where engineering really shines. Powered by NVIDIA Drive, Orin chips, and the DiPilot ADAS suite, it offers a complete range of autonomous driving assist capabilities. The chassis system includes high-speed tire blowout stabilization that actively keeps the vehicle stable even if a blowout occurs at 180 km/h. Combined with low-adhesion torque management and intelligent automatic braking, the Z9 GT works proactively to keep you planted in all driving conditions. To summarize, the 2026 Denza Z9 GT is an absolute powerhouse. It bridges the gap between hypercar acceleration, executive-class interior comfort, and everyday practical shooting brake cargo space. With over 1,000 horsepower, lightning-fast charging, and unique rear steering capabilities, it sets a brand-new benchmark for what a luxury electric Grand Tourer should be. That wraps up our complete look at the Denza Z9 GT. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment letting me know if you would choose this over a Porsche Taycan or Tesla Model S Plaid, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.